Hi, I'm Dave from TMD Motorhomes.
And I'm Paul from TMD Motorhomes, where, as well as this stunning Elddis Sorrento Cv40, we also sell My Rider electric bikes.
This stunning CV40 motorhome is our Sorrento dealer special. That means it's got lots of extra kit on it, such as awning, solar panels and Wi-Fi. Let's take a look inside.